Are you ready to doobie-doo your business?
Doobie-doobie-doo, doobie-doo, doobie-doobie-doo-doo.
Doobie-doo! So what is doobie-doo? Doobie-doo is when you fully understand the driving force behind your business. But it's not just about understanding one element, it's understanding the part that's important for you, the business, and your customer as well. It brings the whole thing together under one doobie-doo roof. It's a balancing act, if you like. It keeps your boundaries in place. It means that you are riding a wave where you're balancing the do, be, and the do. So what are they? Number one, do. What do you want your business to do for your customers? How do you serve them? How do you make them feel? What is it you do? Don't overcomplicate this at all. What is it they get from you? Do they get the ability to send the most amazing gift and show somebody how much they love them? Do they get the ability to preserve memories and keep them forever? Do they get the ability to turn their house into a home? Do you make them smile? Do you make them feel good? Do you make them feel confident? If you notice, a lot of this is about how you make them feel and emotions. We're digging deeper than just that element of I sew quilts. We want to go an awful lot deeper than that. We don't want just that element of I sew quilts. I sew quilts, it's fantastic, but it doesn't say what you actually do for your customer. Do you help them keep warm? Do you help them keep memories alive? What is it that those quilts do for them? What is it that you offer? Number two, be. What do you want to be known for? Now, this can come down to a different level, wherever suits you. Do you want to be known as a talented artist who creates the type of work that you create? Do you want to be known as an amazing knitter, crocheter, sewer, carpenter, whatever it might be? Is that your ultimate end game that you want to be known for? Or do you want to be known for the customer service that you give? So you want to be known as someone who's helpful and supportive and considerate and understanding. What is your most important thing that you could be known for? What is it ultimately you'd like somebody to be saying at your funeral? That sounds really morbid. Not sure I should be saying that, but it ultimately is what it comes down to. How do you want to be remembered? How do you want to be thought of? What do you want people to go, oh yeah, oh, she's an amazing person. She's so what? What do you want that bit to be? What do you want it to say? I'd love mine to say that she's helpful, she's supportive, she's understanding, and flipping heck, she's great at her marketing too. But marketing, whilst it's a really core part of my business and what I do, it actually isn't the most important thing that I want to be known for. Yes, it's there, but it's at the end. It's not the core of who I am and what I do. So what about you? What do you want to be known for? Number three, what do you want your business to do for you? Now, this is deliberately number three because we want to look after customers first and foremost. The only way you have a business is if you have happy customers, if you understand who they are and what you do for them, which is why that's number one. Then number two, what do you want to be known for? That's equally as important because it's the whole ethos, it's your values, it's your morals. You might want to be known as somebody who is very, very eco-friendly and never would ever buy anything that's plastic. Great, make that part of your business. So we're building up a picture of who you are with these. This last one, what do you want your business to do for you? Whilst it's the last one, it's also ultimately the most important because this is how you're going to put your boundaries in place. Because what do you want your business to do for you? Do you want freedom? Do you want flexibility? Or do you want funds? I like a bit of alliteration. So which one is the most important for you? Which one right now? This will change. It depends where you are with what's going on, with what's most important to you. But are you in this to make money? Great. You're going to make commercial decisions. You're going to think about this with a very much of a business head on. You're thinking all about profit. Brilliant. Go for it. If you're thinking that actually this is because I want some freedom, I want to be able to work from anywhere in the world, I want to be able to travel when we're not in a pandemic, but if that's your absolute priority with what you're doing, then you're going to create a business that gives you that freedom. You don't want to be tied to having a workshop or a studio, which is the only place that you can make and create. You need a different business structure. If you're doing it because you need the flexibility, that you just want to be able to work the hours that fits in around kids or health or caring for somebody else, or you have other priorities that are going on as well, if you want that flexibility, I can't think of another word, this is the best one. If you want that flexibility, then you're going to build your business around that. Hopefully there's an element of all three, but you know which is the most important, whether it's the money, whether it's the freedom, the flexibility, or whether it's all three. And you can have your cake and eat it. You can have all three. It's not a choose which one, you can't have the others. It's just about understanding which of those is your absolute priority, which ones are the most important to you. Once you've got your head around that, once you fully understand those elements of your business, you are ready to go forward and push and make all the right decisions that you need to grow and build the best business, the best handcrafted business for you, the business, and your customers. You can't beat it. So go on, do. I'd love to hear about your do's. Drop me a comment below. Tell me, what is your business doing for other people? What do you want to be known for? And what do you want your business to do for you? So go on, do your business. Figure out what is it that's driving you forward, that's pushing you in the direction that you need to go on. Get that sorted, and nothing is going to stop you. You're going to find solutions for things because you're going to find the solutions that fit with your do. Okay, so I'm Nicola Smith, founder of the Handcrafted Business Club. If you've loved this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and make sure you don't miss any of my future videos, because I'm here to help you create the best handcrafted business you can for you. Speak to you soon.